concept is really reworked. So we changed a lot of things. We changed the diameter of the leading edge, the form of the wing by itself, the dihedral. So we changed basically all the things what we saw when we worked on the Aura, and then we developed the new EOS. There's a lot of small changes, but basically the whole wing, the whole concept is really reworked. So the Aura 2 is like a high aspect wing. It means the wingspan is longer than the EOS, and the EOS is more compact. So the Aura has a little bit more shape in the leading edge to the canopy, and the wingspan is longer, and the EOS is compact and flatter. So that's why we have here two different concepts. We used in the leading edge the DKC 160, which makes the wing a little bit stiffer in the leading edge section. And from the canopy, you will see in the end of the canopy the crazy rib material, which is a 5x5 line material, and which makes the canopy much stiffer. So this is basically the summation of all the small details. So we are working on the materials, we are working on the diameter of all the tubes, we are working on all the small patches and add-ons. So all this together makes the difference. Just add-on is the additional sub valve, which is a little bit heavier, but all the rest is now lighter. With the two different subvalves, we can now play with the pressure. You can close the one pump system, and like this you can have the middle strut much stiffer because there you're hanging on than the leading edge. And the leading edge you can play with a different pressure. So if it's light wind, that the tips are working a little bit better or softer, and if it's really strong, then you can upload the leading edge with more pressure. In the moment, I would recommend 8 psi for the leading edge, and in the middle strut 8, 9, in the maximum 10 psi. We have like 3 different options here. We have first of all the soft handles, which everybody knows from the beginning of this sport. Then we have the short handles. Those two are in the package when you're getting the wing. And now we have also the long boom, which we're starting on the Aura 2 already. So you have like 3 options, and 2 options will be included in the package in the beginning. So also on the leash, we changed a lot. So starting with material, it's a totally new material, which is very flexible, but it starts the flex a little bit later. So if the wing is pulling, it's not pulling you directly. We have a new buckle in there, which is not breaking. It was before, it was plastic, now it's metal. We have a swivel, which we are putting in a different spot right now. So there's like, 3-4 new components, which makes the leash much better now. We have the zipper on the bottom of the wing, or of the wing bag. Like this, you can open the wing bag and extend the wing bag. Nevertheless, there's everything in it, like the spare parts. If you have a hole in the wing, so you can put some duckron in it, or canopy material. We have the extra tube for the one pump system. So there's spare parts. You can adjustable the bag size. And like before, you have the shoulder and the patterns on the shoulder for extra reinforcement.